Your clinician will direct you to this video because you've been instructed to use a Glucomen Areo blood glucose monitoring machine. Usually, you'll be on tablet medication only if you've been given this machine. If you're using an injectable therapy such as insulin, please refer to the video for the Glucomen Areo 2K, which is in a blue shiny box. In this video, we're going to go through exactly what you should find in the box to make sure you have everything that you need. The content of this video is put forth as entertainment purposes only, and this creator makes no claims, promises or guarantees about the accuracy, completeness or adequacy of the procedures and instructions contained therein. The creator of this content expressly disclaims liability for errors and omissions that any viewers of this video might declare that exist in the information as presented. No liability exists or can be ascribed to this content creator in the event of any accident or injury that might occur as a result of improper application or understanding of the procedures and information contained in this video. First of all, this is the Glucomen Areo device, and it comes in a white box with a silver strip at the bottom. If you have a blue shiny box, this is the Glucomen Areo 2K. Please refer to a separate video for this one. If we flip the box over, we can see here it has a description of the contents. So you should find your Glucomen Areo Meter, 10 test strips, a user manual, instructions how to use the glucose test strips, a blood sampling information guide, a finger pricking device and 10 lancets, it also says you get 2 batteries which you'll find inside the device, a warranty card and a wallet for your blood glucose meter. So let's open the box and see what's inside. We have our wallet, our user manual, a quick start guide, a logbook, your finger pricking device with the lancets, a test strip guide, and a blood sampling guide. If we have a closer look at our logbook, we can see inside some useful numbers to contact Glucomen. You also have the option for you to enter your name and address details, telephone, mobile phone number, medical details into this booklet if you wish, and your latest test results from your surgery. On the next page, we can see a chart which gives you the options for measuring your blood glucose at different times and noting them in the respective boxes. Again, at the back, we can see the helpline numbers for Glucomen, just in case you have any issues. These can be found again on the back of the booklet. Here we have our quick start guide, and it gives instructions on how to direct your clinician to update your prescription for your new meter, how to register the warranty on your glucose meter, and how to prick your finger and test your blood glucose. Here on the left hand side you have a card which you can take and hand into your surgery so they can update your prescription. And on the right hand side we have options on how to register your meter, to activate your warranty, and then we've got some visual instructions on the back on how to prick your finger. We'll go over this in a separate video. Here we have our user manual, which has a detailed information on the use of your meter. For example, section 4, you can see here how to measure your blood glucose. If we flip to this now, you can see on this page it refers to a control test for your meter. Again, we'll show you how to do this in a separate video. What I would advise everyone to do is read through this manual so you know how to use your meter. Here we have our blood sampling guide for use with the finger pricking device. Again, this will be discussed in a separate video. Here we have our blood glucose test strip guide and instructions for use, which give important information on how to store your test strips and some warning and safety information. We'll show you how to use your meter in another video. Here we have our finger pricking device with 10 lancets inside the bag. Let's take a closer look at this. It's white in colour and has a navy blue top with a green button on the side. And here we have our lancets, which are green in colour. These will go inside the finger pricking device. Again, we'll show you how to do this in a separate video. Here we have our wallet, which will store our device and our test strips. You have a pouch here at the top to store your lancets as so. There's also a space in the wallet for your finger pricking device as shown here. Here we have a box of test strips. There are 10 in here. Check your expiry date. You have a batch number on the side and there's some numbers indicating the readings which you get on your meter when using a control solution. Again, this procedure we'll show you in another video. We've got our storage temperatures on the side between 4 and 30 degrees Celsius. When we look inside our test strip pot, we've got our test strips here. They are white on the top with a window at the bottom for blood sampling, and at the other side there are some black lines. The side with these black lines goes into the meter. If we look at the bottom of the test strip, we can see these black lines run throughout the length of the test strip. Here we have our meter. It's black with one silver button on the left and two silver buttons on the right. If you look at the back of the meter, you can see the NFC logo and the battery cover. When we take off the cover, you can see the batteries are inside. When we place the glucose strip in the top of the meter, you can see it switches on with a little blood drop flashing on the screen. We'll show you how to use this meter in more detail in another video. Once you're done with your meter, we put everything back in the wallet, storing it again for next use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.